Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Luna video update for 21 of June. And guys, this is going to be a very quick one. Now there's a little bit of an ascending triangle here. Yesterday I talked about the ascending triangle, and normally ascending triangles, they are bullish pattern, guys. So the next technical target you are going to be looking for in Luna actually takes you from here to here, and you're looking for a 35% pump to the upside. It's all about breaking this resistance, which I'm going to show you in a 4-hour time frame. Absolutely beautiful, man. Absolutely, like, damn, this is one of the most beautiful setup. The neckline actually is a little bit low here, so look at that ascending triangle, ladies and gents. Boom, 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 boom. Break it out, come for the retest, take the entry, and damn, oh boy, you're looking for the next technical target. And this is gonna be it. This is gonna be all in this update. So we're looking for this one from there to there, and potentially if it does break it out, you're coming up here to the 2.8 ish, 2.8, 2.79, something like that. But it's all about breaking out. My take is it's gonna break out, but be careful. You don't want it to actually break to the downside, but I highly doubt on a Tuesday if it's going to go down. I'm really expecting it to go to the upside. And if you need signals as well, because these are some trades that we're going to be taking, you can join our signals for $10. There's 9 more days to close the signals, and that's it for today's update. If we go to the technical target here, I do think that you must be joining our signals. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.